My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a full body, body weight only yoga workout, perfect in the morning to stretch, strengthen, and tone your entire body and give you a huge boost of energy and focus. This is your drug-free prescription. And you're also gonna work your body here. Grab your mat, click the like button, and let's go.
You tell them I'm coming!
All right, my friends, breathe in the nose, out the nose. Let's boost your energy, beginning in child's pose with a twist. Take the knees down, press back. Constant flow, modify as needed, always use control. Child's pose, we stretch the spine. And let's go back and forth in that twist, putting the weight onto the arm and lifting this arm up. You want to go further, you could take this arm up like so, or up straight. Just keep the flow going to loosen up your spine and your back. In the nose, out the nose, on beautiful Lake Neshonoc, where I learned how to skate for hockey. 1 week ago, actually, yes. Twisting. Oh, shake off the tightness. Shake off the rust. All those impingement areas that are messing with our posture throughout the day. Get rid of it. Get rid of it right now. Stop buzzing in my ear. Who was that? One more time each side. Twist, lengthening and rotating. Decompressing your beautiful spine. All right, press it up. Look at this shirt tuck right here. That boosted my energy. And now downward facing dog. Take the feet hip width, spread the fingers wide, big hands, wiggle them out. Pressing back, we're gonna pulse our down dog to really open up our back potential and our circulation. Inhale, pulse forward. Exhale, press back. Switch my hands. Inhale. Exhale, feel that ripple through the spine, filling and emptying the lungs. Let's do 8 more. Go further if you like. Great for your shoulders. 1, shoulder mobility. 2, smush those heels towards the floor. 3, those dragonflies keep getting bigger. Unless that was a bat, which he shouldn't be out in the daytime. I'll tell him later. Rocking it. Let's do 2 more. I know my counting can be iffy, but my capris are not. Stretch. Forward. Back to down dog, walking the legs. Here we are, if you like, add a twist. So my right knee bends and I twist towards, the hip goes towards the right and I stretch down the left side. Don't get too hung up on words. Go with the movement, with the flow. Your body will adapt to it. It will remember. It will naturally start flowing this way. It's a wonderful thing. Then you know you've reached the Rubicon when your body adjusts naturally to these marvelous flows and positions. Moving into lunge with twist. Let's do 1 more on each side. Now, right foot forward. You could drop the back knee if you like, or stretch out the leg. This left hand is down and we inhale, reach up. Back and forth. Let's do 10. There's 1. Step back, forward, reach. Stretch it. Oh, yeah. 2. Notice I did a little circle with my arm. That is very professional. Look at this. All the way back, opening the chest and the shoulder. That's 3. Let's do 10. Plant and lift. A living, breathing flow. 4, 5. Open it up. Oh, you're over there. Okay. Hope my shirt pops with all this lovely green. 6. Oh, it's the summer of Coach Vigue. This is your summer. This is your year. Feeling and looking great. Passing it on, sharing, inspiring. the mind, the body, and the spirit. Stretch it out. I'm gonna do 2 more. 2 more, my friends. Yes, up and open. Best feelings in the world when you get those shoulders back. When you open up the chest, your breath flows. You take out all the tightness in this upper body area. It's okay to do that, you know. Give yourself permission to let it go. Now step back, let the knees come down. We're going to press forward and down into a cobra pulse. Inhale, lift, exhale down. Find your cobra. Find Destro also in the white ninja. What am I talking about? Anyone know? Fantastic. Those are some great Christmas presents. Come up farther or further or farther. Inhale through the nose. Lift. Now lengthen through the spine as you come down. Oh, getting taller by the second, more functional, more energy, more focus. Perfect way to begin each and every day. I'm gonna do 2 more. If you like, you can press all the way up to this, all the way up here. One more time, because remember, you're not just doing this as a one-off. Do this one, do it for a week, do it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Add it into your schedule. It's all body weight, fits perfectly. All right, now lower down. We're gonna press back, coming to half boat pose. Let's fire up your core. Let's do it. Do it here. Do it now. I think half the time when I'm with my son, I do the Arnold voice. I don't know if he likes it or not, but I do. Here's half boat. Feet can also be down. Emphasis in the abdominals, shoulders back and down, tenderizing your abdominals and your lower back, your core. Now we go into a pigeon from here. This foot stays forward. Sweep your right leg back. You can keep the legs bent or extend the leg all the way back and slide forward. Move side to side. You're flowing. You come back up, sweep the right leg forward. Ta-da! Half boat. Let's do 10 of these, alternating each time. Here's 2. Make the necessary adjustments. I keep thinking an alligator is going to come out of there, but this is not Florida. Where am I? It's not Florida. If it was Florida, I'd be hearing lawnmowers and leaf blowers. Okay, I'm on 3. Stretch. Work your way through. Feel your way through. Add little things as they come along. The more you do it, you'll get that body wisdom. Your body will start doing all these fun things. Hopefully. Don't do weird things. Like, don't fall into the lake. Though that would get this video more views, but I don't have a towel. All right, I'm going on 5 here. Or maybe it's 6. I don't know. You just do 10. This is too good a flow to pass up. There's a lift here you could do also, the proud pigeon, getting that nice curve in the spine, and then stretch it forward. You can also take the legs all the way out, full boat. No gators yet. Maybe some panfish. All right, I'm gonna do noch ein mehr here. Oh yes. Smooth it out. Always sanding the edges, putting some polish on it, letting your body open up, let it express itself through the flow. Okay, bring that leg around. Let's all meet back at boat or half boat. We have this, or we have this. Take 3 breaths right here. Fire your core up. Do it first thing in the morning. Put the logs in the wood stove and then put your coffee on top of it. This is your wood stove right here, heating everything up. It's molten magma. It's volcanic, energizing the body, the mind, body, and spirit. Okay, bring it to chair pose. Let's finish here with, let's do this, stumble around a little bit. Doing some modern dance, a little Agnes DeMille. We have feet hip width apart, we press back. And we're gonna go back and forth from chair to forward fold. Soften the knees, modify as needed. Stretching the spine, a little blood to the brain. Sweep the arms through. Chair, you could do tippy toes if you like. You can come down further, work your way up to it, or keep it up here. That's up to you. Back and forth. You could reach the arms back and lace the fingers too. Optional add-on, the mudra. And then chair. Let some of the blood move out of the head. Let's do 4 more. Starting right here. So here's 1. Whoa, all right. You can also just reach the arms up if you like. Here's 2. Woo, good balance. Great for athletes, great for martial artists, anyone serious about their fitness capabilities. 2 more of each. Feel good, feel those quads, excited, energized. You could do this flow anywhere, anytime, but I tell you, doing it by a lake somewhere in the Midwest is very inspiring. At least to me it is. You hear the birds, distant traffic, cheese. Okay. Lace, 2 breaths. Beautiful, my friends. Shake it out. Have a great day. If this workout helped, click that like button, subscribe, and always click that notification bell to never miss one of my Coach Vigue works out. I highly appreciate it. Gets this video to more and more people. So thank you very much for that, my friends. And as always, Coach Vigue, we'll see you around. Well, hello again, my friend. I wanted to thank you for training with me today by offering you a free, exclusive 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you need to do to get this workout is to click the first link in the comment section below, and boom, that workout is all yours. Go get it right